Hello, my dear friends. I'm Stanislav Shamayev, a licensed business immigration and corporate attorney in Miami, Florida. In today's video, we're going to be discussing the EB-5 investment program for investors, businessmen, and entrepreneurs. At the end of this video, you'll be able to learn how to get a free evaluation of your case for this great program. Let's go. Okay, what is EB-5 program? EB-5 is an immigrant visa that allows you to get a green card for yourself and for your family members. And this program has been created by Congress back in 1990s to attract foreign investment in the US economy in order to create new jobs. So the Congress wants the foreign investors to bring certain amount of money here in the US, and in exchange it wants to give you the green cards. There are two main directions how this program can be implemented. It could be passive investment and it could be active investment. So passive investment is one of the most viable and mostly used options because it basically requires only two things. Number one, the investment of $800,000 in so-called regional centers. And number two is the proof of funds. So basically how you made the money. So let's go to number one. All you need to do is give that amount of money to regional centers. Regional center is an American private developer who is accredited by the US government to accept that money from the foreign investor. And they take all the business risks to create the jobs that we need in order to get the approval for the green card. And this may sound like, well, it's kind of fishy. Like, I don't know these guys. Are they going to create the jobs? And am I going to get my money back? So let's start with the last one. You can get your money back in 5 to 7 years, provided that everything then went well. And definitely everything will be going well, or most likely will go well if you work with distinguished regional centers. And we do work only with the distinguished regional centers who have a long history of approvals, good projects, good reputation, no denials or almost no denials in the past. That means that your money are much safer with companies like that who actually have a good reputation and they care about that reputation, okay? So they're not gonna run away, they choose only good projects and things like that, all right? And of course, we do due diligence for each regional centers that we work with. And definitely the proof of funds is very important because we need to show that your money has been made legally and you paid all the taxes on it. That applies to both the active and the passive investment. So when you go with the active investment, you actually have to open up your own startup business, invest to it $1,050,000, and within 2 years after approval, create those 10 jobs for Americans. In passive investment, you give the money to someone else and your money is refundable. And in active investment, you control and direct the business yourself and the investment, but you are responsible to create those 10 jobs within 2 years after the first approval. What are the advantages of this program? The best advantage, I do believe, is that in the passive investment, you don't have to do anything and your money is refundable, right? So in 5 to 7 years, when you get your second green card, you will get your money back. Yes, I know the inflation is gonna eat the value of that investment, but hey, you're gonna get most of your money back in value. It's the same amount, but the value is less. And the most important, you get the green cards for all your family. And in the active investment, you are in full control of your money, your investment, and your business. However, you also take up all the business risks. So if you are located in the US while you filing for your EB-5 program, be it passive or or active, you can file the adjustment of status. That allows you to receive the work permit. So while your application is pending, you will be able to work and get the advance parole. And that document allows you to travel. So you can leave and come back while your application is pending. Great news for you, my friends. Today is the day. We have launched our new website, shamayevlaw.com. You can get to this website by scanning the QR code on the screen or by using the link in the description of this video. This website is the result of many years of work and a lot of human hours putting in this project. We've been working on rebranding of the website for the past year, and now it's released. This website is your guide on your way to immigrate to the United States of America. It has all the visas and the description of them and the process and the timeline for all the visas that we are working on. Also, you can find a lot of news and the latest blogs on the trends and updates and the change in law on this website. Also, the company's news and much more. So this program, for those of you who have a good budget and you are able either to invest it passively or actively. So what's the process? The process is pretty easy. And of course, if you are not within the US, if you can't adjust your status here, the wait time is a little bit longer than, and it doesn't allow you to come to the US. So as of right now, the wait time for your approval for your I-526 form for EB-5 is anywhere between 3 months and 48 months. And I know, guys, you're like, what? Like 3 months and like 4 years? Like, what are you talking about? Well, that's the reality. Some projects and some businesses get a faster approvals. What are those projects? Well, first of all, if they're located in rural areas. Rural area is something outside of the city. So those projects will get a faster approval, maybe 3 to 5 months. Second of all, the agriculture projects. If you want to make up a farm or you want to sell fertilizers or something related to agriculture sector, you'll get a faster approval. Third of all, the production. If it's a factory, manufacture, works, or some kind of other production, that will get a faster approval. Also, the infrastructure projects. For example, logistics project. If you want to create some hub in the intersections and help the trucks to move faster or make the repairs or things like that. So you participate in the logistics in the USA. Those are the infrastructure projects. You will get a faster approvals. So depending on the project, and that's how the US government kind of pushes you to do what they want you to do, you can get faster approvals. Also, I think the STEM projects like ecology projects, scientific projects, if you bring some technology, they also will get a faster track of approval because this is in the best interest of the US. If it's just a regular project like the restaurant or the hotel or some other kind of regular business, then you have to think about a longer wait. Again, it could be anywhere from 3 to 48 months, but if you're located in the US, that's gonna go much faster just because you have, I call them preliminary documents, the work permit and advance parole. We have a good track record for our clients for this type of visa. We have 0 denials for EB-5 program, and the recent approval we have with the passive investment. It was a regular project. It was a hotel in San Francisco. The case was filed in November 2019, so approximately 4 years passed. But mind that that case was filed using the old laws. In May 2022, there was a reform of the program, so all the new petitions, they have a separate way of analysis for those petitions, so definitely they will have a faster track and a different way of looking at those. So in my company, we can help you not only find the best way to prove the legality of your funds and structure that, but also find the best regional centers for you to choose from, or advise you on the way to create the best business plan for the active investment in your future projects. If you want to learn, if you have a good petition for EB-5 program, you can get a free evaluation. How to get that? Easy. Go down below this video and find a link that's going to say free evaluation EB-5 project. Click on the link, fill out the questionnaire, and I will get back to you with the initial analysis within 48 hours. And if I see the potential, I will invite you to the complex immigration planning, where I will build a winning written strategy to file your case. Smash that like button if you like the content of my videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel, subscribe to Instagram and my TikTok. I post different type of content on those platforms. Also, don't forget to ask questions and write comments below this video. I'm Stanislav Shamayev, a lawyer of the future. Your future begins here. Good luck.